You have been applying and clicking that button over and over and over again, and finally, the Amazon bot says yes. You get into the Amazon Influencer Program. Woo! Congratulations. That is step number one. And now you get an Amazon storefront and you can be done. That could be it for you. But I'm sure you've heard that most of the money lies in on site commissions. What that means is that your video can be placed on the product page where people are already there shopping. So if they are looking for that little doodad and they look at your video and then they like your video so much that they then click buy this product, you get commissions. And all you had to do was make the same video that you were going to make anyway. So here's the thing. That's the second step, is getting approved for on-site commissions. What that means is now you need to make 3 videos. Not 1 video, not 2 videos, not 6 videos, but 3. 3, no more, no less, just 3. So what happens is you make the video and then a real human at Amazon decides, is that video what we're looking for? We are looking for people who will convert a window shopper to a sale, right? That's the goal. That is the goal for all of us. We want somebody to buy the thing so that you can make some money. So you need to be approved for it by a real human. You got into it via a bot, and now the next step and final step is getting approved by a real human for the on-site commission. So you got to make those 3 videos. I'm going to tell you how to make the 3 videos. And if you stick around to the end, I am going to post the 3 videos that I used to get into the Amazon Influencer Program the first try. I have also used these same methods and techniques to help gobs of people get into the program. So listen, you're going to see lots and hear lots of different stuff, different perspectives, different ideas. And I'll tell you what, I think they're probably all right to a certain degree. But this is what I have used. So this is what I'm going to tell you works because I know that it works. So if you do the things, I can't tell you 100%, but dang it, you're going to get pretty close. I think you're going to get approved for on-site commission. So let's jump in. These are things you need to do. Thing 1, pick an item that you love. I mean love. This is a thing that you would tell anybody you know to go buy this thing because you love it so much. Go find that thing. It doesn't matter what the sales are like on Amazon. It doesn't even matter if they allow for videos on that product. None of that matters. What matters is it's a product that's sold on Amazon. It's currently available on Amazon and you love it. Those are the key things that you need to be paying attention to. Okay. So, grab the thing. Now, think about what you're going to say in this video. I don't want you to script it because listen, when you script it, then you start worrying about like, oh, I missed that word. Oh, I didn't say that right. Or you don't want to like say ums and uhs, but guess what? You're human and that's okay for you to say those things. Doesn't mean I want you to sit there like, no, obviously not. But it is okay for you to say a couple times throughout the video. It's okay because you're human. But listen, the thing that you pick, you gotta love it. I want you to be able to talk about this thing inside and out, upside down. Like, here's the thing, right? This is a cell phone case. And I'm gonna talk about this cell phone case like it's the greatest cell phone case that has ever been made. So let me show you. I want to tell you about this awesome cell phone case that I have. I needed a new cell phone case for my brand new cell phone, and I wanted something that looked a little bit nicer, and this one does it. Look at it. It's like leather. It's made of like this really nice, supple leather, and the buttons have covers on them, so I can press the buttons, and it's actually pressing the button on the phone. You know, sometimes cell phone cases have button covers, and then it doesn't let you actually hit the button. This works. It actually works, and it fully covers it, so there's not going to be any dust that gets in my cell phone. I love this thing. It's got the cutouts on the bottom so that you can easily charge it, and the speaker and the microphone are there. Wide open back so that you can easily, use your camera. I love this thing. I can't recommend it enough. You should totally check it out. That's how I talk about it because listen, I do love this cell phone case, and you probably felt that. You felt that I loved it. Whereas if I talked about this bolt thing, be like, I don't know. It's a bolt thing. It does something probably. I don't know what it does. You're not going to use that because I don't know what it is. So anyway, find the thing that you love that you're going to talk about. Okay, then you have the thing. Then you need to find a place for you to record that video. So I want you to find a place that is safe. And what I mean by safe is like this. I built this studio area for myself because I knew that everything around here was safe. There was nothing in here that was going to maybe make me get not approved for a video to go through. What are the things that are automatic denials? Any medical advice. Don't pick a supplement to do a video of. I don't care how much you love it in your life. Don't pick a supplement. Don't pick a piece of medical equipment, because you're going to be tempted to say, this thing is fantastic. I never get sick now that I take this, or whatever the thing is. It's a medical claim, and you cannot do that in your Amazon videos. You just can't. But you're going to be tempted to do it when you're talking about things like supplements. Same thing with medical equipment. This thing makes sure that I don't ever hurt my knee again. No. Don't do it. Nothing medical, nothing, no supplements. People do gobs of those things. And you can think about doing that, make a foray into those things once you've been approved. But for these first 3 videos, do not select those items. Promise? Don't do it. Okay, the next things that you need to do. Let's see. I have a list. Sorry, I want to make sure that I hit on all the things. Okay, you want to make sure that there is nothing in the background or on the product that is a address label or a barcode or a QR code or any sort of a code like that. Like this box of a product that I have here has a barcode on it. It cannot be in the video. So if you're going to show this box, either make real good sure that you're never going to turn it around to show that. Even just a little flash like that, too much. You cannot show any barcode. So either peel off that label, take it out of the box, whatever you got to do, make sure there's no label. Even like I have a bookshelf over here. If on that bookshelf there's any barcodes, guess what? Somebody's going to see it and my video is not going to be approved. Don't do it. Just make sure that you're in a safe place, whatever area you've created to make this video, there's no barcodes around it. There's also no license plates, no addresses, no street signs, because some products, of course, you're going to want to be outside for it. So try and think about what items you're choosing that's going to allow for the safest recording. Okay? Next thing, you need to be in the video. I'm not saying you need to be in every video for forever. I'm saying these first 3 videos, just be in them. Just do it. Not going to argue with you about it. Could you be approved without it? Probably, maybe. I don't know. I know that if you're in it, if you are looking somebody in the eye, which means in the camera, people are able to trust you more than just looking at your hands as you show a thing. It just is. It's human nature. You're going to trust somebody more when you can look at them. So be in the video. Make sure that your video is horizontal. Can you be approved for vertical? Probably, maybe. I don't know. I know that vertical works for some people. I wouldn't do it for your first 3. Just do it horizontal. Lots of people do vertical videos later. Cool, do it. Especially if you're doing clothing. Super works to do vertical. I'm just saying for these first 3, do horizontal. Make sure the item is in the video the whole time. There's lots of people who will post a video and be like, this is this awesome thing and I really love it so much. And this, I really do. I love it. It's great. And suddenly like your face is the only thing on camera and not the thing. You're selling the thing. So make sure the thing is in the video. So let's go through it one more time. You are going to make sure that you have chosen a product that you love. You can talk about inside and out, upside down. You're going to talk to the camera like it is your best friend. Truly your best friend. Lots of people say it and it's true. They say it for a reason. Talk like you love this thing, like it's the greatest thing you've ever used in your whole life. You're going to make sure that you're holding the camera horizontally. Make sure that the sound is good. As you're recording that video, make sure that when you play it back, the sound is good. You can hear what is being said. The lighting is good. You need to be able to see the product. These should go without saying, but they don't necessarily. So just make sure that when you're holding up the product, you can see it. The camera sees it. Make sure the camera can see you. Make sure the camera can hear you. So if that means using a microphone, use a microphone. If it means just talking to your phone and editing in after to make sure that it's loud enough, do that. Lots of people do that. Especially when you're first starting, you don't need lots of equipment, so don't worry about it. Record it on your phone. Just make sure the sound is good when all is said and done. Don't just be like, okay, I'm done. I can upload it. Listen to it again. Watch the whole thing and make sure you feel good about it. If you are getting any value out of this video, I would sure appreciate a thumbs up button for the algorithm. Let's get this video out to more people because I think it could be really helpful. Okay, so you have your phone being held horizontally, your camera, whatever you're going to use, horizontal. You're making sure that your face is in the video. You are making sure the product is in the video. You're making sure that your area is safe. No barcodes, no addresses, no license plates, no street signs, no maps, none of that stuff. Make sure it's not in the video. Then you have made the video. It's fantastic. You've re-listened to it. Now you're ready to upload it. Okay, you ready? This is what you do. You are going to go to your storefront. There's probably other ways to get there, but to be perfectly honest, I think the easiest way to get there is via your storefront. So that's what I always do. I go to my storefront and I go to create content. You click on that yellow button, you click post, and then it's going to pull this up. This is where you are going to actually put your videos in to be approved because they're going to be approved. Positive thinking, okay? So you click in this little box, you pick the item. I happen to do this chair today, so we're going to click on it. This is maybe a bad video because you see I'm not in the video right now, but again, you're picking something where you're in the video. I'm picking this video. Then I'm going to hit open. It's going to pull up here, okay? Because I've looked at this product recently, I can just click on add at least one product. Click that plus button, then you click the browse history because I know that I was there recently. So I'm just going to click it because that's the right chair. And then I hit done. Okay. And now the next thing I do is I hit edit thumbnail because I took a picture of it and you're going to need to make sure you take a picture of it. You can do a screenshot, but make sure that it's a good picture of the product. You're showing the product just like that one. Fantastic picture. Thank you very much. Anyway, then you're going to title it whatever you want to title it, whatever makes sense to you. Again, not making any big major claims. I'm just going to put super supportive and comfy office chair. Then when I'm ready, I hit save, submit. Now it says post submitted. Thanks. So now, deep breath. You've submitted all 3 of your videos. You have to do that same thing for the other 2 videos also. So now you've submitted all 3 of your videos. Congratulations. Now it's out of your hands. You've done all the things you can do, and now you wait. And you wait. And you wait. Listen, sometimes it gets approved in a couple days. Sometimes it's a couple of weeks. When they're really slow and backed up, it can be a couple of months, which let me tell you is like so frustrating. But it's a human who's looking at these things. So consider that. But hopefully within a couple days, you are going to get approved. But in the meantime, you want to make sure that your video is good. And I'm sure you've heard about the ever talked about blue lock. So let me show you where that blue lock is. But first you should know when you go to your storefront and then you go to manage content, you're going to go to video. Okay. This is what people would call your creator hub. Okay, you've heard of this before, I'm sure. And if you haven't, this is going to be something people comment on a lot. I call it my manage content screen because I always forget it's called the creator hub. But just so you know, people refer to it as creator hub. I will likely refer to it as your manage content screen. But here, you will see down here. So this is the very first one. This is the one I just put in. So it's saying processing. The next step you'll see is in review. That means either a person or a human is reviewing it. In your case, it's going to be a human reviewing this content to make sure that it is good. And then it's going to show published. Published does not mean you've been approved for the Amazon on-site commissions. I know it's counterintuitive. It doesn't make sense. I don't know what to tell you. It just doesn't mean that. So don't feel like it means that because it doesn't. It just means that, okay, it's made it past the initial screening, okay? And then once it's been published, you're going to see this. So you'll see here that blue line and then it ends in a little blue lock. That is the blue lock. Okay, so that blue line shows that you've submitted all 3 videos. See, it says 3 of 3 videos. When you've submitted 1, you could go here and it would say 1 of 3 videos. When you've submitted 2, guess what it's going to say? You guessed it, 2 of 3 videos. But right now it shows 3 of 3 videos. You've submitted all 3. You've done the right thing. And now you'll see it says, we will review your videos, blah, 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 and decide whether or not you're going to be approved for on-site commissions. So now we wait, and we wait for that blue lock. And every day you go and check in, maybe multiple times a day. I swear I was on it 27 times a day when I was waiting to see if I got approved for it. So I'm always just checking. Is it locked? Is it still locked? Is it still locked? Is it still locked? And then guess what? When it's no longer locked, guess what you're going to see? Boom. Congratulations. You have been approved for Amazon's on-site commissions. Yes. Yes. That's it. You did it. Okay. So here's the thing. Once you've gotten to that part, you've gotten approved for on-site commissions. Now you just get to do the fun stuff. I think it's the fun stuff. You then get to make videos, all the videos. And of course, the harder you work, the more money you can make. You need to be putting in the reps, putting in the effort. Now you don't have to hold it horizontally. Again, I think that they perform better, which is why I always still hold mine horizontally unless it is a clothing product and then I can hold it vertically. But otherwise, it's horizontal. Most of the time, I'm in my videos because, again, the same reason for those 3 videos, I think that it builds trust. I have a fantastic conversion rate, and I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that, A, I'm real in my videos. I'm not trying to be scripted. I'm not trying to be somebody I'm not. I'm being myself. And you should do that too. Be yourself in these videos and have fun with it. And did I mention have fun with it? Congratulations. You've made it to the end. Thank you very much for making it to the end. I'm going to show you the 3 videos that I used to get approved on the first shot for Amazon on-site commissions. Again, if you've gotten any value out of this, I really would appreciate if you hit that like button. And if you subscribed, I would super duper appreciate it. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you these 3 videos. I'm not going to talk through them at all. It's just going to be 1, 2, 3 after the other, and then we're going to fade out. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, if there's anything I can clarify for you, or if there's any videos that you want me to make in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I super appreciate your being here. You got this. This is the Chefin countertop compost bin. I love it for a few reasons. Number one, it's a perfect size for the countertop. It's 3 liters, which is about almost a gallon, 3/4 of a gallon. It's this white ceramic, so it blends in really nicely on my countertop. And it's got this really cute little accent feature of a leaf, and it's a little bit bendy, so it adds nice texture. On the top, there's a vented lid, and on the inside of the lid is this charcoal filter, which is both removable and replaceable. It does a really great job of trapping the odors, so I'd never noticed that there's a compost bin on my countertop, which was a really important thing for me. The other neat thing about it is that it's a 2-bin system. So it's got this removable green plastic bin with a cute little handle. So you can bring it down to your compost, dump it in, and then you can put it in the dishwasher, get it all clean again, and throw it back in your ceramic bin. It's really great. It's worked out super well for us, and I highly recommend it. This is the Gerber Mini Fast Draw knife, and let me tell you, I love this knife. I carry it with me everywhere. It's the perfect size. About 3 inches when it's closed up. It's got this pocket clip so it doesn't fall in or out of my pocket. It's got these thumb studs, they call them, which help you open it because that fast draw means that you can do it with one hand, which is amazing. So it has this safety switch on it. You just push it up and then put your thumb on that thumb stud and pop it open. It's super fast and super fun to just flick it open sometimes. To close it, you just push up that button and close it. Don't forget to put that safety down again, and then it won't accidentally pop open in your pocket. It feels really well made. It's not super heavy, but heavy enough that I don't worry that it's going to break on me. The size of it is about 5 inches in full, 2 inches of the blade, 3 inches of the handle. Again, when you close it, it's just a really nice size. I've never lost it because it's too small, and I don't worry about it not fitting in my pockets ever. It just really is well made. It's great to have around. It's handy. I can't recommend this thing enough. This is a USB charging hub, and it is game changing for travel. I love this thing. Let me tell you about it. It has 6 USB-A slots for just your standard USB plugs and 4 fast charging USB-C slots. It is only 5¼ inches long and about an inch thick. It has just changed how much happier I am when I get to a hotel and I can charge all of my things with one little charging hub and not have to worry about finding a place for everything. It is light and compact. It has a 3-foot cord, which I was a little bit nervous might be too short, but it turned out to be just fine. I love this thing and I cannot recommend it enough.